Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dulari from LPM Public School. Today in this video I will tell you about chapter 26 of class 6, that is transformation of sentence. As you have seen in my previous video, this is my second video of this chapter. In my first video I have explained about the transformation of sentence, its definition and the formation of sentence from affirmative to negative and affirmative to interrogative and so on. In this video I will tell you about the exercise of this chapter. Before that, let's see once more the definition of transformation of sentence. According to this book, the transformation of a sentence means changing its form without altering its meaning. It means transformation of a sentence. When we transfer a sentence, the meaning of transfer is to change. When we change a sentence from affirmative to negative, then its form is changed. We just change its form without changing its meaning. We should not change its meaning. There is only change its form. It means its kind is changed from affirmative to negative or negative to interrogative or negative to affirmative. But the meaning remains same. We should not change their meaning. It remains same. So transformation of a sentence means changing its form without altering its meaning. So with this, let's see the practice exercise, that is question number A. Follow the instruction and change these affirmative sentences to negative. Here the first question is follow the instruction as we have seen the definition. According to the definition according to the instruction there, we have to change affirmative sentences. Here the questions which are given, these all sentences is in affirmative form and we have to change this sentence into negative form. So the changes will take place between affirmative sentence to negative sentence. So let's see. First question, Mr. Alex is richer than his neighbor. Here we have to use the word poorer. By using the word poorer, we have to change the sentence into negative form. So in the first sentence, this is in affirmative form. Here we have to use the word poorer and make the sentence in negative. As the instruction is given, we have to change the affirmative sentence to negative. So it will be Mr. Alex is richer than. In place of richer, we have to use the word poorer, and we have also used the negative word, that is not. Mr. Alex is not poorer than his neighbor. So it will be, let's see here. The question is Mr. Alex is richer than his neighbor. We have to use the word poorer, and so it becomes Mr. Alex is not poorer. In place of richer, we have to use the word opposite of the richer is poorer. So by using the opposite word, we can change our affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. So here it will be Mr. Alex is not poorer than his neighbor, and this sentence become negative, but its meaning remains same. There is no change in its meaning. It is as same as the first one, that Mr. Alex is richer than his neighbor, or we can say Mr. Alex is not poorer than his neighbor. So both the meaning is same, but the first sentence is in affirmative form. It is in positive, it gives positive sense, but in a second sentence it has not. So it gives negative meaning. Now let's see question number 2, that is the teacher is sometimes strict and we have to use here as the question, as in the question it is given, the teacher is sometimes strict, and we have to use not always. So where we have to use not always, let's see. The teacher is not always strict. In place of sometime we have to use always, and we have to use not after the helping verb not. So it becomes the teacher is not poorer, the teacher is not always strict. So the negative of the second sentence will be the teacher is not always strict. It means he is sometimes strict, not always. The first sentence is in positive and the second is in negative. And but according to the meaning, both the sentences has same meaning. Now come to question number 3. Few books are as brilliant as this. Here, to change this sentence into negative, we have to begin it with not all. So here, in place of few, the opposite is all given, and we have to use the negative word to make it negative. So it becomes not all books are as brilliant as this. So this sentence is in negative because there is use of not. Not all books are as brilliant as this. Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is he will leave at the end of the month. He will leave at the end of the month. So to change this into negative, we have to begin this sentence. Here it is given he will not leave. So let's see. The negative of this sentence will be he will not leave at the end of the month. As it is given, he will not leave at the end of the month, and the sentence become in negative from positive. Now question number 5 is here. The question is I shall always remember your help in my hour of need, and we have to use the word never. So we know that the never is the opposite of always. So in place of always we can use never and make the sentence in negative. But there is one more change. Here it is given remember. As we know, in place of remember we can use the word forget, as it is given in your book. Remember, not forget. So the correct use of never and the negative of this sentence will be I shall never forget your help in my hour of need. So our sentence, in this way our sentence become negative when we write never in place of always and forget in place of remember. So it is I shall never forget your help in my hour of need. Now question number 6 is everybody will admit that your effort have been commendable. We have to use the word deny, and we know that the deny is the opposite of the word admit. Deny is the opposite of the word admit. So to use deny we have to change the sentence in negative, and it will be everybody will admit that your effort has been commendable. So it become here everybody will not deny that your effort have been commendable. In this sentence can be written in other way. In place of everybody we can also write no one. If we write no one, then also it will be correct. In place of everybody we can also write no one deny, then we have to remove the word only, and it become no one deny that your effort have been commended. So if you if we use not, then we can use everybody. If we use no one, then we should not, there is no use of not. We can just use the word deny and it become negative. Let me write here. The second use of this will be no one will deny that your effort, no one will deny that your effort have been commendable. So in the both the way this sentence will change into negative. If we write everybody, we have to use the word not. Everybody will not deny that your effort has been commendable, or you can write no one will deny that your effort has been commended. Both the sentence will be changed into negative. Both the way, there is two way to change this sentence into negative, and both has the same meaning. Now question number 7 is everyone present in the room impressed by the word. Here everyone present in the room impressed by the words. When we change this sentence into negative, it will be everyone present in the room was not unimpressed by the word. Here we have to use word and not, and there is word impress, and the opposite of the impress is unimpressed. So when we use unimpressed, it become negative, but it remains same in meaning. Everyone present in the room was not unimpressed by the word, and it has the same meaning. Everyone present in the room impressed by the word. So in this way, affirmative sentence is changed into negative sentence. To change, we can say that to change the affirmative sentence into negative sentence, we have to use the word not after the helping verb, and we can also use the main word, or you can say we can use the opposite of a main word, that is main verb, and make the sentence in negative form. Sometime in place of verb we use the adjective word, adverb word, and change by using the opposite meaning of adjective, adverb or verb given in the sentence. We can change a sentence of affirmative into a negative sentence. So now let's see question number 8, that is as soon as the boy saw teacher, he rushed into the room. Here we have to use the word no sooner than, as it is given in your question book. In the question it is given, we have to begin the sentence with no sooner, and in the middle we have to use the conjunction that is no sooner than is a correlative conjunction, and with the help of this conjunction we have to use this sentence into negative form. So no sooner as the boy saw the teacher, he rushed into the room. It will be changed into negative if we write no sooner the boy saw the teacher, then he rushed into the room. Here no sooner is used in the beginning of the sentence. The boy saw the teacher, and to join both the sentence, here then is used as a connector in the middle of the sentence. Then he rushed into the room, and it total become no sooner the boy saw the teacher than he rushed into the room. In this way we have changed the affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. Now let's see question number 9. Question number 9 is the best way to destroy your enemy is to make him your friend. Here we have to begin the sentence that there is no better, and there will be dot, and in the middle we have to use the than, and then again the sentences of the question, or you can say the word of a questions will be used to make it complete. So the question is the best way to destroy your enemy, and we have to begin with there is no better, and it become there is no better way to destroy your enemy than to make him your friend. So let's see the best way. There is no better way to destroy your enemy than. Here we have to use the than, and no, there is no better way we have to use in the beginning of the sentence. So it becomes there is no better way to destroy your enemy than to make him your friend. In this way we can change a affirmative sentence into a negative sentence by using there is no better way. Now the question number 10 is I will always remember my trip to Kashmir. Here also the word always is given. We can change the always into never and remember into forget. This both the word by using opposite of these word we can change the sentence into negative and its meaning remains same. So it become I will, in place of always it will be never, in place of remember it will be forget. I will never forget my trip to Kashmir. So in this way we have seen, we have done all the 10 questions. So once more I revise this so that it is clear to you. In question number first, Mr. Alex is not poorer than his neighbor. Here in place of rich, poorer is used and not is used before the word poorer. So it becomes Mr. Alex is not poorer than his neighbor. In question number 2, he is not always strict. In place of sometime, here is always is used. So the teacher is not always strict. In question number 3, the question is a few books are. In place of few, all is used and not is used in the beginning of the sentence. So it becomes not all books are as brilliant as this. And now come to question number 4. In question number 4, he will leave at the end of this month, and as for instruction of the question given, we have to write he will not leave at the end of the month. So this is changed into affirmative to negative. Now the question number 5 is I shall always remember. Here also in place of always never is used, in place of remember forget has used. So it become I shall never forget your help in my hour of need. Now in question number 6, as I have told you the two way of changing this sentence. First one is everybody will not. Here I have used the word not. In place of admit, deny is used. Everybody will not deny that your effort have been commendable. Or you can write in place of everybody you can use the word no one. No one will in place of deny. Here we do not have to use not because in the beginning no one is given, so it always give negative sense. So there is only one word no one, and not is not used in this. No one will deny that your effort have been commendable. Now come to question number 7. The question is everyone present in the room impressed by the word. Here in the word impressed, the opposite of impress is unimpressed, and we use not before the word unimpressed and it become negative. So it is everyone present in the room was not unimpressed by the word. And the question number 8 is as soon as the boy saw the teacher he rushed into the room. Here relative conjunction is used. No sooner the boy saw the teacher than he rushed into the room. Now question number 9 and 10. In question number 9, the best way to destroy your enemy is to make him friend. So we have to begin with the sentence, there is no better way to destroy your enemy than to make him friend. And here the last one is, I will always remember my trip to Kashmir. I will never forget my trip to Kashmir. I hope you have understood. So thank you.